How do we uninstall software? We go here. If you don't have it here on your desktop already, you should, because it's one of the things that you will need. You don't want to have to stop and look for it. You just want to go to the control panel. So the first thing you should do is type in control panel. There it is. Uninstall. And you'll notice here I have the software selected that I want to uninstall. And I can do this one of two ways. I can right click to uninstall it, or even to change it if I want to modify it. Or I can go up here and I can click uninstall or change. When you are changing software, sometimes maybe you forgot you wanted to install, say, PowerPoint or Publisher, and that way this lets you do that. So when you click on change, it gives you a chance to modify, repair, or remove. In this case, we're going to remove this. But you have a chance to reinstall missing or corrupt files, registry keys, and shortcuts. Preferences stored in the registry may be reset to default values, or you want to modify it. Maybe you want to, like I said, maybe you want to add Microsoft Publisher onto your Microsoft Office. So change which application features are installed. Display the select features dialog, which lets you configure individual features. So we're not going to modify or repair, we are going to remove. So we are going to. Now again, it depends on the size of your hard drive. If you want to keep these, you plan to reinstall and upgrade Camtasia, save the user data, or you want to delete, remove all of my data. So I think I will just keep the data and uninstall. And do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. And basically that's all there is to it. No more ripping it out from the front. And by that, I mean yes, I get this. When you're impatient, it always says, please wait until the current program is finished uninstalling or being changed. Yes, mother. Here, on some of these, when you click on them, oops, I didn't mean to do that. When you right click, you can uninstall it from here. You can pin it to the taskbar. You can unpin it from the start. I prefer to uninstall it through here, through Programs and Features. And this is the breadcrumb that leads you there. You would go to the control panel, type in Programs, Programs and Features. And that's how you would find how and where to uninstall. So now we just have to wait. to uninstall this, and that's it. So every so often, you should really come back here, just take a look to see what's in here. And take a snapshot, a photo, a screen grab of what you have installed on your computer. So this way you know this is Firefox 67. You know it's the 64-bit version, not the 32-bit version. They are phasing that out. This is another one I can uninstall QuickTime because Apple decided not to use QuickTime anymore, so that's out. I have to find another way to deal with the Move extension, MOV extension. And I have a couple more. I could uninstall my WordPerfect. You know, you want to keep it really light. If you have too many things on your computer, you find that it's just the software doesn't act the way it should because it doesn't have enough space. It's like getting a St. Bernard dog and you live in a studio apartment. The dog has no place to roam, no place to run around. The dog's bigger than the furniture. So you need to be aware of over installing software, downloading everything when you have a new computer. And here we are, uninstalled, finished. Okay, so now I can move this into the recycle bin. And that's it. We have uninstalled software. And that's how you do it. Now I did show you two ways, but I think the other way is much safer.